Alright, so for IELTS writing part 2, like essay writing or any formal writing, or even you are speaking and you put emphasis on something, likewise you want to add on something to your connection in your writing or speaking, you can use these various connectors. Let's learn how to use them. The first connector is above all. Above all means sabse pehle, most important. Like for example, I say, above all, I want to say that I don't believe in moving abroad. So that means most importantly, मैं ये मानती हूँ कि मुझे बाहर नहीं जाना है. Okay? For the other connector, like admittedly. Again, admittedly means I agree that. मैं ये मानती हूँ. For example, admittedly, the science and technology is increasing and getting updated every now and then. So again, you are putting pressure on admittedly, that shows that significantly or you agree that what you are writing or speaking. The third connector is unquestionably. कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है. I have no doubts, I have no question in saying smoking is injurious to health. So for that you can use connector unquestionably. Smoking is harmful for health, and that is why millions of youngsters are dying every day because of smoking. So again, unquestionably means that you have no doubt, you have no question. Next is chiefly. Chiefly means again important, significant, primarily. It means firstly, most importantly. For example, how can you use chiefly? Chiefly, I agree that population is increasing day by day. Then specially. Specially means, for example, you can use specially during summers. I feel more energetic because there are long hours of working because the daytime is high. So here especially I am using for emphasizing something. Then we have another connector to put emphasis is generally. Generally मतलब आम तौर पे ऐसा होता है. Generally it happens when you move to other city. It takes time to settle out there. Next is particularly. Particularly means ज़्यादातर, especially. For example, particularly in the evenings I go for walk and I also do some stretching. So particularly मतलब ज़्यादातर इस समय पर. So particularly means again you are emphasizing on that point of time. No doubt. I have no doubt, or you can use undoubtedly. मुझे कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. Undoubtedly, moving to abroad will bring uncomparable opportunities to my career. So no doubt, you can even start your writings with saying there is no doubt that people from different regions are coming and they are migrating to different cities. Next is certainly. Certainly का मतलब ही certain है, पक्का. Certainly मतलब I believe certainly that if the pollution will be controlled, the environment would be better for our youngsters. So these all connectors will make your writing more beautiful, especially when you are putting an emphasis on your writing, even for speaking. Okay, thank you.